Maryville is in a way one of the flagship schools for our Smart Energy Workforce Development Program. And so being here for today's Youth Energy event is the way in which we connect students with the actual components of our organization: gas, electric, substations, fleet, etc. All of those components were here today so that students can see firsthand what is the type of work that happens in those groups.
The fact that they actually come here, come to us, speak to us directly, meet us face to face, give us a firm handshake, and see what we could possibly be in the future. It's just amazing.
For the first time, we've been able to bring back Maryville graduates who were Smart Energy Workforce Development interns who are now BGE employees.
I think it's a really worthwhile thing for BGE to do because it's their community, so I'm very happy to be able to be a part of it.